Guys, this is what I am doing now. I need to, what do you call it? Remove? I don't know. What's the English name it? This is in preparation for, I'm doing this for, in preparation for the rice buds or rice seedlings. So I will just dig or I will just dig something like this. I will just do it like this. I think what they call that, at least 5 meters by 5 meters in length, and I think it would be 9 meters in width up until there. 9 meters. I will not that's the area that I will just dig as of today, because it is just for the rice seedlings. It is not yet for rice planting. If it's rice planting season, all of this will be dug and it will becomes like this. Then we can plant. But as of today, we have no rice seedlings yet, so we need to plant a seedlings first. We need to put some seedlings first, and after quiet 3 to 4 months, I think, then it is now good for planting. So guys, this is it, and I will just put it here, then you can see what I do. So guys, that's it. I will end the video here because I can't take long videos because I'm only using my data and I'm only loading my SIM card 100 weekly. That's weekly, so if I will take long videos, it will consume my load. While in fact I have many long videos here. I have taken many long videos, but I do not post it yet because I don't have a Wi-Fi. When I have a chance to connect with some Wi-Fi's, I will that's the time I will upload it, because the videos that I've taken was 1 hour, 50 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. That long. That's why I can't upload it using my data. So guys, I will end it here. I will continue. I will make another video if I need to update again, because as of now I've just lined, I've just marked the 5 meters in width, so I just need to uh, have at least 9 meters in length going there. So guys, I will update you later, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment down below, and please I thank you for your time for watching my videos. I hope you've learned something. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope we are all safe. We are all blessed, and may God bless us more, give us more opportunities. May God give us more blessings. May God guide more people, guide the right people to us. May God enlighten our heart and our mind and our body. And may we surrender our heart, mind, and body to Him. And may He accept our soul, our spirit, our body, and our heart and mind to Him. So that's all, guys. Uh, more patience. Let let the time let the time of the God be our time. Let His purpose on creating us be our purpose. Let His plan be our plan, and let's just wait, be patient, and do try to avoid unnecessary, unethical, or sins or mistakes, something like that. Try, at least try, not to be perfect, but try to do it, because that's the time that we are being challenged, or we are being tested. So it's already 7 minutes, so I hope I can upload this because it's too long already for me to upload. That's all, guys, and thank you.